Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so in today's lecture, I will be teaching you about similes. Now, first of all, you have to open up to page number 6 of your workbooks and you have to write the date on top of the page. The date that you're going to write will be Tuesday, 28th April 2020. Now, similes. Similes are basically phrases that describe a noun or a verb. Basically, they describe something. And in the similes, there will be an adjective or an adverb along with a noun and an action. And in this similes basically, we compare something with something. For example, as kind as no, sorry, not as kind as, or you can say as kind as an old man, or as good as gold. See, it's describing the gold. Good is the word that is describing gold. As funny as a clown. Now you can see that funny is basically, clowns are considered funny, so we are comparing by saying as funny as a clown. It's basically, in similes, we compare an adjective with something that is actually like that, and then we can use these similes as adverbs or adjectives in a sentence. Or you can say as heavy as lead, because lead is considered to be very heavy. As white as snow. As old as hills. These are some of the examples of similes. On the exercise of in your workbook, we are going to match the similes according to the sentence. In the sentence, of course, there is a description of something, and we have to compare it with the simile, and then we have to match it. And then we'll add these similes in that sentence, and we'll write the sentence with the simile in the next question. So in question number 1, it says, of exercise A, read the following sentence and talk about the meaning. It says, the boy is as cool as a cucumber. Now, cucumbers are considered cool, and in this sentence, the boy is being described as cool as a cucumber. Basically, we're comparing the boy to the cool. We're comparing the boy's behavior, that is cool, with the nature of the cucumber. Now you can see that there is a tiger chasing the boy, and he's acting very cool and calm. This is how similes describe something. Now let's look at the first exercise. Question number 2. Match A and B by drawing lines. We have column A, we have column B, and we have to match them. Now in A part, the similes that are given over here are as good as gold, something that is very good. As old as hills, something that is very old. As dry as a bone, something that is very dry. As white as snow, something that is very white, just like snow. As heavy as lead, something that is very heavy. Let's look at the sentences. The lake has no water in it. Now, of course, if the lake has no water in it, then that means that it is dry. So we can say that it is as dry as a bone. B part, Mona is always kind and polite. Now it says Mona is kind and polite, so that means she's a very good person. So we can describe her with the simile as good as gold. Shahida's hair is not grey. Now it's not grey, so that means it's something else, maybe as white as snow. D part, the box was lifted by 5 strong men. Now this sentence tells us that the box is very heavy because it took 5 strong men to lift it. So we can say that the box is as heavy as lead. E part, Bilal's grandfather is very old. Now he is very old, so it can be as old as the hills. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 3 on page number 7. Now I will attempt, we have to put the similes with the sentences with which we just the sentences which we just described using the similes. So we have to, the first one is already done. A part is, the lake has no water in it. It is, that means it is as dry as a bone. Now let's move on to B part. B part said, Mona is always kind and polite. Mona is always kind and polite. So that means she is as good as gold. Let's move on to C part. C part says Shahid's hair is not grey. So first of all we'll write the C part as it is. Shahid's hair is not grey. That means they are as white as snow. D part, the box was lifted by 5 strong men. So first of all we'll write the sentence as it is. The box was lifted by 5 strong men. So it was as heavy as lead. Last part, Bilal's grandfather is very old. Bilal's grandfather is very old. So that means he is as old as the hills. Now this is how we use the similes to describe the specific people in the sentences, all the nouns in these sentences. Now I hope you all understood how to do this exercise. You have to do it on your workbooks, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section of this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.